Hello students, in this video session I am going to discuss about your 5th mathematics activity work for class 9. First of all, move on to the index page. In the index page under serial number column, just below 4 write number 5 and then write the activity name. And your 5th activity is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Then write date, then page number and then leave the space for teacher's signature. Here is your 5th activity. On the left side of your lab manual, that is on the white page, you need to draw or paste all the diagrams and label all the pictures exactly same as it is shown in this video as well as in the PDF file which will be provided with this video. On the right side, that is on the rule page, you need to write all these details. You can use only blue dot pen for writing the activity work. First, write activity number 5, then write date and then write topic. And your topic is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Objective: to show the equality of angles in the same segment of a circle with the help of an activity. Materials required: white sheet of paper, trace paper, geometry box, a pair of scissors, colors. Now you don't need to make any model regarding this activity work. We will discuss about it later when the school will reopen. Preparation for the activity. Draw two circles of any radius with centers O and O' respectively on the white sheet of paper. Take 2 points A, B and C, D respectively on the circles with center O and O'. Join AB and CD as it is shown in figure 17A and 17B. Take 2 points PQ on the major segment of the first circle. Join AR, BR, AQ and BQ. Take 2 points RS on the minor segment of the second circle. Join CR, DR, CS and DS. We get two angles in the same major segment, that is angle APB and angle AQB. We need to prove that angle APB is equal to angle AQB. We get two angles in the same minor segment, that is angle CRD and angle CSD. We need to prove that angle CRD is equal to angle CSD. Presentation for the activity. Put the trace paper on the white sheet covering both the circles. Trace out the required angles, that is angle APB, angle AQB, angle CRD and angle CSD. Color the angular arcs with different colors. Cut out angle APB, angle AQB, angle CRD and angle CSD from the trace paper. Place the cutouts of angle APB, angle AQB on angle AQB, angle APB respectively on the white sheet of paper. Place the cutouts of angle CRD, angle CSD on angle CSD, angle CRD respectively on the white sheet of paper. Observation. You will observe that cutout angles angle APB, angle AQB exactly cover angle AQB, angle APB respectively, verifying that angle APB is equal to angle AQB. For angle CRD and angle CSD also, we observe the same, showing that angle CRD is equal to angle CSD. Hence, the above activity shows that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. That is it. Students, hope all of you have understood today's activity work. Take care. Have a good day.